Yeah, so I mean, when I got this email from them, I really didn't believe it. I thought it was just a bad April Fool's Day prank, but it turns out Rebecca Haswaga really got this letter from Access showing her coverage and her daughter's coverage both ended, and it really just scared her to death again.
It was on the desk. Yeah, I was right there.
Meet this lively West Phoenix family, comprised of 4 people, including Rebecca and her daughter Corey. As you can see, full of life.
I've been dead now 5 days.
I want my funeral. I want my flowers.
A few weeks back, Rebecca reapplied for health coverage under Access, the state health care plan for low-income families, something she's done for over 5 years. And Monday, she received this letter.
So I looked at it and it had my name.
The letter, reading like a eulogy.
It says medical assistance stopped. We will stop medical assistance for Rebecca Hasagawa. We took this action because we have received information that the customer passed away. And then there's me, Corey Henneberg. Again, I'm not dead though. I'm
We're
very much alive.
Thinking it was a mistake, Rebecca went to her routine doctor's appointment after undergoing bypass surgery on her heart, surviving a stroke, and 2 heart attacks.
She looked it up and she said, "Oh, you died." I'm like, "When did I die?" And she said, 4 days ago.
Rebecca says Honor Health contacted Access and said she was alive, but it would be 5 business days before getting a response. Her daughter says she contacted her insurance provider trying to report the mistake.
They just gave me the robot and says I can't speak to a representative because my ID doesn't exist. So which means they took it out of the books because I'm dead.
The family reached out to us for help. We called Access, the state saying in part, it appears the issue stemmed from a user entry error in which a date of death was mistakenly entered for the individuals in question. Rebecca says they haven't changed policies since moving here, which was back in 2019. And according to the Maricopa County Office of the Medical Examiner, in Arizona, only a medical professional, typically a doctor, nurse, or EMT, can pronounce death.
You're all good.
I know.
I'm alive. Yeah. Could feel my heart beating.
For them, it's a comical situation, but rooted in fear.
Without my medicines, my doctors told me I could have a major stroke or heart attack and I could die.
Scared.
I really thought it was like a misprint, a joke or something.
Halfway to death.
Yes, we do have some good news, though, to share. An official with Access says they are correcting this. They will no longer be dead, and any medical treatment that happens in between this coverage gap will be covered through their previous policy.
Well, they have a really good attitude about it.
I know. Yeah, they're precious, but yeah, you'd think that it would be only an official to declare someone dead, but a computer glitch can really mess things up, and then that starts a whole chain of events that made a mess of their lives.
Yeah, they were just shocked altogether. I couldn't imagine getting a letter that says, "Hey, Austin Walker, you are actually dead." So I understand how they're feeling in that moment.
Hopefully that letter is many years away, Austin. Thank you for sorting it out for them.